Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 9th to 13th March 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see on Friday 0.14% positive move, 157.743 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a zero or no lower wick with a small upper wick. Currently if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 3727 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. If you want to learn trading, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number to understand, or also you can directly buy the course given in the link in the description. Remember, these are all one-on-one session. I don't take any pre-recorded or I don't give any pre-recorded sessions. So here these are all will be one-on-one sessions. So if you're interested, do contact me on my WhatsApp number. So now let's talk about the closing first. So here 157.743 is the closing. Here the direct support is 157.499. Direct resistance is 157.776. After direct support, there is a support of 157.180 and then 156.737. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 158.003 and then 158.204. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I've shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, if you think that these challenges or these rules are very strict, then you can also try the real account. I have already shared a broker link in the description, which is GTCFX. You can directly open the account from the link given in the description. If you open your account from there, I will directly add you to my Telegram premium group, so you can try those real account as well. So now let's talk about my opinion. So before I talk about my opinion, here we can see there is a good consolidation for the past week for the past days in this week. So here we can expect a good bullish momentum, but here before that my expectation is a bit negative. Let me just say that here I'm expecting a negative closing in this range, that is 157.180 to 157.499. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range for this week. But if I see a good bullish momentum and we see a big gap up opening, then I will go for a long till this level, which is this high, the Friday's high. I will go for this high. But if the market goes gap down and lives in this no trading zone, then we'll wait for a positive momentum. Once the positive momentum is there and 4-hour one day candle gets close above this, and we can go for a long till this level as well. Overall, my expectations a bit negative for this week in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.